First of all, jack it up at 90 degrees with a bucket, get some blocks under there, and then leave the bucket there. Make sure you put the blocks under, of course. And then the first thing you need to do is remove the grease nipple plate here. So just quickly get that off. Right, you can see that the big nut is undone, which is the main grease valve. It's about 27mm on this one. As you then rotate the track, the grease will seep out there, slowly releasing some of the tension. So the track's back on. Once you've done that, all you've got to do is grease the nipple and then set to the measurement, which should be about 65mm in this case. So if we have a quick look around this side, you can see that they're too tight. So I'm going to have to slacken that off a bit, take a bit of grease out.